welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and this is going to be a review of the Meauro Mini Projector. You can see it there on the stand, and you can see I have this screen up here in the gazebo. This is a pretty big screen. I'm going to go stand beside it so you can see me next to it, or at least see my silhouette, kind of see how big it is. It's pretty darn big right now. And the image is pretty amazing as well. I'm so super impressed with this thing. It's very bright, very clear, very crisp. The screen I'm using is basically the cheapest possible projector screen you could be using. And when it comes to projectors, it's not just about the projector itself, it's also about the screen. So if you had a higher quality screen that reflected more light, you'd get an even better picture. So this is just the picture you're getting with a super cheap screen, but still it looks really good. So right now I have lights on just so you could kind of see the perspective of this being in my gazebo outside. But let's turn those off. Alexa, turn off the gazebo lights. And so there's now a little bit of ambient light, but not a whole lot. And I'm going to zoom in here on the screen so you can really see how this thing works and see the quality of it. So you have this eShare app, and what that app does is a couple of things. It'll let you use your phone in order to control the device for keypad and stuff. Also lets you share stuff directly from your phone, mirror stuff from your phone or your tablet or computer or iPad. So that's kind of a cool built-in app. And then there's another app that's sort of similar to that, which is this WPS projector, as similar to that. And then iMirror basically lets you use this as a AirPlay to mirror your iPhone or to send something to it from your iPhone through AirPlay. So you do have that. You also have Netflix built in. Take a quick look at that just so you can see that that works. Now what's cool is this does have Wi-Fi built into it, so you can once you, Friday Night Lights, one of my favorite shows of all time. So you can connect this to your Wi-Fi, and then you can just stream directly to it for Netflix and for the built-in YouTube app. Of course, it has HDMI, so you can connect to Chromecast or Firestick or anything like that. And I'll demo a Firestick in a little bit. But that's what you have. Now, I'm going to go to the browser real quick. If you have a USB, you can plug that in, and you can do movies and stuff. I'm really just going to be using this in order to give you an idea of the picture quality. So let's just go through some different things here, just so you can see that picture quality and see how crisp and clear this is. It's nice 1080p, how bright it is. And like I said, it's not even pitch black out here. There's landscape lighting to my left. That's casting a light. Now my camera that I'm filming this with will adjust for the brightest thing that's showing, so that's why you might not be seeing the ambient light, but there is ambient light, and even with that, this has a great picture, really good picture quality. Just gonna go through a few things here, let you see some of the different things that are there so you can kind of get an idea for that. Really great, really clear. You can see all the colors. It's just the brightness is really excellent. Now, just so you know, the size of the picture is going to be controlled by distance. So you have to, you can't just put the projector right up. It's not a short throw projector. You can't put it right up by the screen and expect to get a really big picture. In order to get this picture, I have that projector, I would say probably about 7 feet. I'm guessing about 7 feet away from the screen. So if you want a bigger picture, you have to move it away from the screen. You want a smaller picture, you push it closer to the screen. You'll recognize this, obviously. And in a minute, I'm going to demo the sound for you guys. Right now, I'm using the mic to talk, so I'm going to switch off and demo the sound for you. But I first just wanted you to have a chance to see this picture quality, because I think it is very impressive for a tiny little projector. It does a really, really great job. It's so small, it's so portable, but really everything is clear. Again, you got that 1080p, and even in, this is a slow-mo video I took with I think my last phone, my S10 phone. Yeah, you can just see everything really well. Some underwater video footage of my dog Ulani in the swimming pool. But all the colors are really crisp, really clear. Just a really great way to watch a movie. You could use this indoors or outdoors. And again, don't forget, this is the cheapest screen you could possibly use. This is basically the equivalent of having a sheet up. But you could use, if you had a better screen, then you would get an even better, even brighter, even better picture. Alright, so I'm going to pause this here. And let's check out the sound on this thing. Just let you hear how some of it how the sound of the speakers, and also another cool feature, being able to connect to a Bluetooth speaker from this device directly. Okay, so now I'm gonna play this video and use just the built-in mic on my camera so you can hear the speakers from this projector. Eric, and this is going to be an unboxing of the Meauro Full HD 1080p projector. This is a smart mini pocket projector. Now when it says pocket, that doesn't mean you put it in your pocket, but it means it's very... Now you can probably tell that the sound is good. I mean, obviously it's not like the best speaker ever. It's a speaker that's built into this tiny little projector. But in terms of if you're doing a presentation or you just need people to be able to hear, you're not watching a movie necessarily, the sound is completely adequate for that. Completely adequate. Now what's cool is this has a audio out, so you can audio out, but it also has Bluetooth. So if you go into settings, you can connect to a Bluetooth speaker and have that be your speaker, or sound, even a surround sound system that has Bluetooth. You can connect to that. So I'm going to do that, and then we'll hear what that sounds like. So now I'm connected to that Bluetooth speaker. And very portable. It is an LCD LED projector, and those are some of the specs. You can go in from 35 inches to 200 inches on the image size, and again, it's monolithic LCD, and it is 1080p. So let's open this guy up. Now, of course, this is just my video of me talking, so this isn't like music or anything major, but you can hear that the Bluetooth quality is already significantly better. Now let's go back to another video where you can hear some maybe more of music going through there. Look at young me. So as you can see, the Bluetooth speaker capability, that's really cool because now your sound can be as good as whatever Bluetooth speaker you have or Bluetooth surround sound system you have. And you can connect to that and have really awesome sound that way as well. Now I did also want to show you that you can choose your input and source, and I'm going to choose the HDMI, and I have a Firestick in there right now. So once I choose that, you can see HDMI, it's my Firestick, so I can control my Firestick. So you know, you've got everything available to you that you have on the Firestick. And the other thing that is cool, there is a menu button. Once you're in video, if anything's playing or something is hooked up to it, you have all these controls for, you can make some display adjustments as far as the, you know, how you want it to look, and color temperature, sound, standard music or movie, surround sound, volume level, aspect ratio, and timer. So you do have those menu options available to you whenever you are watching content as well. And as you can see, it works great with the Firestick, just like any other source. Works really well to display this nice, bright, beautiful picture. So take a real quick look at SmartU. This is sort of their version of YouTube, the YouTube app, and basically allows you to stream videos and everything just like you normally would. You can watch all the Hollywood Frodo reviews you want to. So that app is built in and fully available to you. And last but not least, I just want to jump into settings. So you can see you've got Wi-Fi settings, Bluetooth to connect to your Bluetooth device. Other settings is where you can change a few things about how it boots up. And it's automatic projection image settings, so you can do some. Now this, one thing that's really cool about this projector is you can do behind the screen for screens that are made for that. You can mount this upside down, so you can flip the image. You can go in and control keystone. That's if the projector is a little bit off or at an angle that adjust for that. But you can see it has auto-keystone, so it will auto-keystone automatically. When I set this projector up, I didn't have to adjust the keystone. It did it automatically. So that's pretty cool. Great built-in feature, sort of an advanced built-in feature. A lot of smaller projectors don't have that. But yeah, really been impressed with this projector. Just to sum it up, I'm going to just let some of these things play. Just so you can, once again, see some of that image quality while I just basically summarize. You've got this small, tiny projector, so easy to portable, easy to take with you. Take it outside, take it inside, take it wherever you want to take it. You've got this amazing, beautiful picture, high picture quality, really great brightness that does really great job. The sound out of the projector is adequate for presentations and things, but you can hook it up to a Bluetooth speaker, to a really nice speaker. If you want really good sound, then you can do that. You've got the Netflix app built in. You've got HDMI to connect Firestick or Chromecast or Blu-ray player or anything like that. Really, this is an excellent. I'm so impressed with this projector. As small as it is very powerful, very impressive. And if you're looking for a small portable projector that has a great screen, great brightness, and great picture quality, then you really can't go wrong with this mini projector from Meauro. It is a really awesome projector and definitely a product I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. I will have a link in the description below to this product on Amazon. You can jump over there, read what other people have said about it, pick one up for yourself. If you have any questions, post them in the comments below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. Don't forget to favorite my playlist, subscribe to my channel, and all that great stuff. That's going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.